Today we're checking out one of the most talked about vacuum cleaners on Amazon, the Dyson you see here. Full disclaimer, this is my friend's Dyson. I wanted to see what all the fuss was about, and now I see the fuss. It's legit. Right away you'll notice that this isn't your average stick vacuum. It feels engineered, like something built ready to tackle everyday mess with a bit of joy instead of dread. What makes it special? Well, it's not cheap for a reason. This genuinely performs at a level you'll feel as soon as you use it. First up is its suction power. Dyson's digital motor technology translates into consistent, strong pickup on carpets, hard floors, and even stubborn pet hair. I love how it lights the path in front of the suction area. You'll see results immediately, not just bits of dirt here and there, but real, visible cleaning that makes your space feel fresher.
The satisfaction
Guaranteed.
is real.
Another big value point is the filtration system. Dyson traps fine dust and allergens so efficiently that the air you'll breathe coming out of the vacuum is cleaner than what went in. For anyone with allergies or people who care about indoor air quality, that's more than a bonus. Then there's the design. This thing is surprisingly light and agile. The wand swivels, which means instead of wrestling with the corners and awkward angles, you're gliding around furniture, stairs, and tight spots without twisting your wrist. One-click emptying makes getting the debris out quick and not messy. Battery time and runtime are also great. Dyson gives you enough power to do a whole room, hallway, and maybe a quick couch session. I don't have footage of this, but it does detach into a smaller unit for dealing with cushions, chairs, sofas, and maybe stuffed toys. The entire device charges neatly on a dock or stand, so it's always ready to go.
This is really lightweight. I know. And it's cordless.
Yes, this tool is a pricey one, but the way it combines power, ease, and everyday usefulness, from pet hair to dust under the bed, is probably why people drop the coin and continue to do so. It's obviously one of those appliances that turns a chore into something that feels way less like a chore. And in the world of home gear, that's a real benefit. So if you're tired of vacuums that falter on carpets, lose suction, or clog halfway through a room and cause your arm to get sore, this Dyson may just be worth it for you. Winner!